during the bombing, the Oklahoma City bombing, certainly saw you a lot working out of our newsroom, covering it for CBS News out of Dallas, and then ran into you several times during the Timothy McVeigh trial up in Denver. What are your memories of those two events especially? Those were huge events. You've covered so many big ones, but those were really, from a reporting standpoint, life-changing events.
Well, they were, Kelly, as you well remember. I mean, there are a few stories in a reporter's career that will break his heart, and that was certainly one of them. What I take from that today, though, is how brilliantly and bravely Oklahoma City recovered from that, and the triumph that is the Oklahoma City Memorial. I love going to that memorial. I love remembering all of those people who so bravely worked on the pile of debris there to save as many people as they possibly could in those early hours and days. It was a great testament to American courage and American patience in recovery. And so Oklahoma City has a very, very fond spot in my heart because of those days.